What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Agent Jonesy for Fortnite Season 6. Now we're going to get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So let's start on the left side, starting from the top of that circle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a large gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle, let's bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to add a small highlight on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, we draw a small circle, go back out, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And now we're going to draw a small circle in the center of the eye for the pupil, but we're going to tuck this in underneath the highlight. Let's start at the bottom, go all the way around, and back out. And it will fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's go up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. We're going to start on the outside, curve this in, and then bend that down, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Let's curl up the inside of the brow, starting back on the left, curve in, and then bend that up. Let's go back to the outside of the eyebrow, draw a straight angle line going up and in. Now I'm going to bend the eyebrow, coming down and then in towards the inside of the brow. Let's move to the center and draw on the bottom edge of the nose. So we're going to line this up with the bottom edge of the eyes, starting on the left, curve the nose, coming down and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve, going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. And then we'll shift the mouth over towards the right, starting on the left, come down, just bend that up a little bit higher on the right side, add a bracket on the right. Now from the center, we're going to step down and draw a short curve, going down and up for the lower lip. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, draw a large half circle. We're going to come down, bring this in underneath the mouth, put this out and back up on the right. Let's go all the way up to the top and draw the edge of the hair. Starting on the top left, curve this out and then down towards the eyebrow, curve this in and then bend that up. Let's step down, curve down and in towards the middle, go out and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side, step up, curve the hair coming down and then out, go up and then bend that in. Let's go all the way back over towards the right, step down, come down and in with a short line, curve this out and then up. We'll add one more, stepping down, come down and in, go out and then up. Now we're going to tuck the side of the head in behind the hair. And start back on the left, go straight up, and then bend that in, going around the eyebrow. Let's go back out to the side and draw on the ears. Starting on the left side, curve the ear going up, down. Now we're just going to pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's line this up on the right, going up, down, and then bending that in. We're also going to add those folds inside the ear. From the top of the ear, step down, curve up, and bend that out. Go back to the inside, curve out, and then hook that in. Let's draw the outside edge of the head. We're going to start on top of the left ear, curve the head going out, and then bend that up. I'm going to add a point, going out and then down, go up, and we'll just bend that in. From the top, we're going to step back out to create an overlap, go up, round up the head, and then just bend that down. From this point, step back up, go out, and then down, go up, curve out the side of the head, and bend that back in on top of the right ear. Let's add a small fold along the inside edge of the eyes. On the left, step in, curve down and out with a short line. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the jacket. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the jacket, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the jacket. On the left, curve out, and then bend that up. And then we'll round out the side of the body. Starting on the left, go straight up, and we'll just bend that in towards the head. From the inside corner of the jacket, we're going to step up and add a curve, coming down and then up from the bottom edge of the belt. Step up and draw that twice. And then we'll add the buckle. Leaving a gap in the center, let's draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's go back up to the top and add the collar and the tie. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, angle down and out, toward the left and right, angle up and out in behind the jacket. And then from the inside of the collar, draw two short angle lines coming down and in, flatten out the bottom, and then from the bottom corners, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the bottom of the tie, and we'll pull that back down and in towards the middle. And we'll draw the jacket collar. From the top, step down, straight angle line this up on the right, and it'll come straight down and in towards the bottom of the jacket. About halfway along this top line, angle up and out, come up and in underneath the head. Let's continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. From the buckle, we're going to step down and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down, and then leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg, going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toes. And then we'll go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. We start from the toe, we'll draw almost like a half circle, going up and then aiming towards the heel. And we'll bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the outside corner, step in, curve the leg going out, and then straight down on top of the foot. We're also going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across towards the heel, and heel to toe. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the left arm, halfway between the chin and the bottom of the jacket, starting right here, and curve the arm going out and down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle coming in and out from the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. And then we'll add three fingers, starting from the bottom curve of the thumb. We're going to come down, bend this up around that bracket, step down, curve down, and then bend that up. And we'll start the third finger on the outside, go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's go back to the top of the thumb and draw the edge of the sleeve. We curve up and then down, step up and draw that same curve. Let's draw the right arm holding the cell phone. We'll start by lining up the top of the arm on the right side, curve the arm coming down and then out towards the elbow, angle up and out towards the wrist. Now I'm going to curl around the thumb, going in and then out, round out the tip of the thumb and then pull that back in. And then we'll draw the phone in behind the thumb and the fingers, starting from the top of the thumb, angle up and out, come down along the top. I'm just going to pull this down to right about here. And then we'll overlap three fingers. Starting from this line, draw an oval going around, back up. Let's layer a second oval just underneath. We'll do that one more time. And we'll extend these lines underneath. Start with the inside, coming down, and then lining up the outside, and close off the bottom. Let's go to the bottom of the phone, curve the arm coming down, and then in towards the elbow, pull that in and up underneath the body. And then we'll add the edge of the sleeve, starting from the thumb, curve down and out, step down, draw that twice, continue along the bottom, and that's pretty much it. There's Agent Jonesy from Fortnite Season 6. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and check out my Fortnite playlist. I have a ton of characters in there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.